goofball.
Susie, got a new bed, huh? You like your new bed, huh? Ashley, you want to come over and check it out? Come on, it's your new bed. You like your new bed. Look at you. I don't think you both are going to fit in here. You like it, huh? You like your new bed, huh? You fit in here really nice. Yeah, tell me about it. You like your new bed? What about you, Ashley? What about Ashley? You think Ashley's going to like it? You going to give Ashley a moment in it? Huh? Come here, Ashley. Come here, Ashley. Want to get in the bed, huh? Where you at, baby? Where's Ashley, huh? Where did Ashley go? She don't want to get in it. Oh, Ashley. Hey, Ashley, you want to get in the bed? Where are you hiding from? Here, Ash. Ashley, look. The bed. No, I guess not. Maybe later.